Hi Hot Wheel collectors, Donovan the Great One here. Haven't made a video for a little bit, so making one today on Saturday. Received an RAOK from my great friends DCTV Channel today. Showed up at my house. So I'm going to be showing you that. Just opened the package, got a nice little note from them. Thank you guys for that. And let's see what we got here. We have a Matchbox Collectibles, my classic car, Mustang, or not a Mustang, a Shelby Cobra. Huge fan of the Shelbys and the Cobras, and really cool. It's my classic car TV show edition one. Thank you guys for picking that up for me. Really appreciate it. That'll go nice with the Cobra collection I got. And let's see, we got a couple of motorcycles here, Bad Baggers. The teal colored police one. And the purplish colored Bad Bagger. Thank you guys for those. Didn't have those yet. And we have the Olds 442 Hearst. Very nice car. Really like this one a lot. Got a couple of spares of this, but be a nice addition. Been wanting to open one of these up too. And let's see, they know I'm a Dodge guy, so let's see, they got me a 71 Plymouth Roadrunner. I had not picked this one up yet. Thanks for that. Really neat red. Nice looking car. And on the same theme here, got the 71 Challenger, which is one of my favorites. I think I'll open one of these up too. I already picked this one up, but would like to open this one up and display it. And the 71 in orange. So happy to get this one as well. Thanks guys. I think I'll be opening up this one too. See, we have the purple of the Little Red Express. I had not picked this one up either. This will be a nice one to open up. Got the red one, a couple of those extra, so I did need the purple, so thank you guys. And we have a Camaro SS police version. I had not picked this one up. I think it's pretty cool. Thanks for this, guys. I do have the large 1/18th scale version of, I believe it's Maestro. Yeah, I believe it's that brand. And it's got a very similar paint scheme. It's police version one. Really cool. So thanks for that. A little bit more here yet on the bottom of the box. Open this, separate package on the bottom. A little tricky here. And we have Ford Mustang Shelby GT or GR1 concept. Thank you guys for that. And we also have a Ducati 1098 Treasure Hunt. Really cool bike. Thank you for that. And the Ford GT, very nice car. Real nice graphics on that. Thank you guys. And 41 Willies, 2 of those. Let's see. That's great. Trying to get some doubles going here for trying to get my son into the collecting of these 2. He's fairly young yet, but I would like to put some aside for him, so as he gets older, he gets really interested in them. And I really do like the casting of the 41 Willies. It's really cool, I think. Love the color on it too. And the artwork on the card is very neat. And my really good friends here have hooked me up with some hiddens. The 67 Mustang Coupe. Love that car. That casting is just, it's an outstanding car. Really cool rims on that thing. Red lines. Thank you guys so much for that. And they helped hook me up with a nice pair of 70 Camaros as well. Hiddens. That would be nice to put into the collection for my son and I. Thank you guys a whole bunch for those. I was not able to find any of these at all over here in the States, so I'm really glad you guys could help hook me up with these. Really appreciate it. So, total of 17 cars here. Matchbox and the Hot Wheels. And just want to say again a huge thank you to DCTV Channel, Cobra Eagle and Falcon for being such good buds with me and doing these trades and RAOKs. Just want to let you guys know also that your package is on its way shortly. I'm just trying to pick up a couple more items that you're interested in and that you had mentioned that you would like to get a hold of. So bear with me shortly. It's going to be on its way to you. And just everyone out there, thanks for viewing and sharing your other videos with me and everyone else who are into Hot Wheels and collecting of them. And it's a great hobby. A lot of great people out there involved with it, and it's a lot of fun. And just wanted to say thank you again to all of you out there. So that does it for me today, and everyone take care and enjoy the hobby. Thanks.